To change the lock screen style in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find the personalization. Click on it and then click on your lock screen. And now what you need to do is go scroll down, and that way you'll be able to see the styles. So for example, there's a people category, there's multiple different categories if you scroll down. There's scenery, we also have Eastern aesthetics, and etc. Now what you can do in each of those categories is swipe to the left or right and then find your own style. So choose whichever one you like, for example that one. We can then apply it, and this can be applied to both your lock screen and home screen, or only the lock screen. When you're ready, click on apply, and as you can see, our lock screen have changed. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.